Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori, and this is Cori. I'm here today with an unboxing from a company that I have not heard of until I noticed they were sending me emails in my spam box. It's called, let's see, I don't want to say it wrong, it's Good Diamond Painting. And they offered their diamond paintings for free. All you have to do is pay shipping. There was a company that did that several years ago, but the shipping was, it made it not really all that cheap. So I thought I'd just add it up, see what happened when I checked out, and then if it was too much, I wouldn't buy it. Well, for 4 diamond paintings, I paid $10.99 for shipping. So I think that's a good deal, and I'm anxious to see if the diamond paintings are worth the $10.99 for 4. So we're gonna get into it. I already opened it, maybe so there'll be a little bit less noise for you guys, and I'm gonna pull them out one at a time. I have not looked at these yet. I am very anxious to see if I can do this easily. Ah, that's nice. It's coming. Okay, so here we go. This is diamond painting number 1. It's not ringing any bells for me yet. It's a 40 by 30, so that's telling me it's a landscape, probably. And it opens from within. It is a round drill. It has the typical boat, wax, and pink pen. The diamonds are round, and this is the color palette. It's got some pinks, purples, sage greeny color. There's some teal in there, a lot of blue in there. This is becoming a favorite color of mine. And so here is the diamond painting. It looks to me like an old couple who is sitting on the beach and having a nice time after a little bike ride. Okay, this, I'm going to bring it up to you. To me, this looks pixelated. I'll bring it up to you. The drill field is clear, but the letters are kind of small. I think they could be a little bit bigger for me to see better. Now, this is printed in the old style, where each block represents a color that will go in that square. The new style does the picture and then puts the symbols down. So I don't know that one is necessarily better than the other, because the pixelated, it may not be quite this pixelated when it turns out, but you know it's going to be more, on the old style, it will be more pixelated than the picture shows. So I have mixed feelings about how I want them to be printed. But anyway, this is I think that's a pretty cute diamond painting. Let's see if I can straighten it out a bit. It has 24 colors, and there are no DMC numbers on the canvas. And there are also no DMC numbers on the drills. So you may not want to save your drills from this one. The stick is very good. Very good. It seems to be a little bit thinner than most poured glue. But anyway, I think that will turn out cute. So that's my beach couple. And it went over the edge. Okay. I'm gonna pause it for a second. Okay, I'm back. I had to go rescue them. Didn't want them washing out to sea. So this is the second diamond painting. I can't remember if I told you guys or not. That's the problem with getting old. I ordered these on September 11th and they got here on September 20th. So that's a total of 9 days. And today, lately, that seems to be pretty quick for something other than Amazon. So I tore that bag up. Oh, there's a little thank you note in here. Thank you for your order. If you have questions about diamond painting, feel free to join our Facebook group to get the answer. Our team members are diamond painting lovers all over the world, and they can answer your questions. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, thank you, and it gives you the address for the Facebook group and their email address. So that was sweet. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this one doesn't have DMC numbers either on either place, so maybe that's the drawback of using this company. There's the color palette. You've got red and yellow and blues and some white in there. Just kind of more of a salmon-y color in real life. And typical drill kit. And this is a 30 by 30 puppy. This one does have squares on it, so let me look at this again. It is a square. I did get one on purpose to be a square. I got a small one, 30 by 30 for the square. And I thought that puppy was very cute and adorable. And I think it's going to turn out pretty good. I can see the symbols are clear. There's 21 colors. It has the canvas number on it, as did the other one. This is very sticky also. It's a little bit right there in the corner, but I think it's going to be fine. A little bit not quite so sticky, but the rest of it is very sticky. So, oh, this will be cute. That's a darling dog there. Good little puppy. So, that's canvas number 2. And we're going to get canvas number 3. And I'm going to try to speed up a little bit. Now that we got an idea of what these canvases look like. This one feels like it's a bit bigger. And there's more than one way to open a can. A typical toolkit. So far they've all been the same. This is, can't remember what this one is, and I can't really tell, but, oh, I remember. It's the Eiffel Tower behind some pink blossoms. I have wanted to get something like this for a long time, and I just never did it. So I finally broke down and did it. There's so many pictures out there I could never choose, and so I would go on to something else. This is the Eiffel Tower with 25 colors This one does have the DMC numbers on it. Right here. It has the legend on both sides. The other ones did too. It's quite sticky. The symbols are pretty easy to read, but I think a light pad is going to be in order for these dark colors, for these old lights. But I think that's going to be pretty. Pretty diamond painting. The flowers will probably be pixelated. If I bring it up close to you, you can see that. But that's okay, because from a distance, they still look pretty good, I think. Here are the color drills. They are round. Here's all the pinks colors right here. The pinks and the yellows and blues and greens and all pretty springtime colors. I think this will be fun to do. This one is a 35 by 45. It also has the canvas number on it. And that's canvas number 3. And the last canvas, canvas number 4. I think these are all printed in the old style of printing. That could be why they're free, quote unquote. Is they're just trying to get rid of stock. I don't know. I don't know how they can make money doing that, because the shipping wasn't all that much either. Same toolkit. Very spring colors. Green, there's some red, some teal, some blue. There's some very dark colors. I think that's a very dark green there. So those are the drills. And this is the canvas. You know I love my beach scenes. I love the beach. There's some flamingos out here and flowers all around. This diamond painting has 26 colors. It has the drill field is clear. The DMC numbers are not on here. And they are not on here. This one does not have a thumbnail to show you. So, again, this is the old style of printing. And I'm going to go ahead and open these drills to see if I'm missing the DMC numbers on the package. No, I am not. There aren't. So I'm not going to check the others. I was pretty confident. So that's it for Good Diamond Painting Company. Let's see if I can say it the exact way. I'll put the link below, down below. It's Good Diamond Painting. That's it. That's the name of it. I think this is a nice way to get some good, nice, budget-friendly diamond paintings. And I'll work some of these up and I'll let you know how they went. As far as I can tell, they're going to go pretty well. And I'm also anxious to try the square diamond painting. And I'd like to thank you guys for joining me for the diamond painting effect. Real quick, I'll summarize. We have the beach scene there. We have the Eiffel Tower. We have the puppy dog. He's so cute. And we have the couple on the beach watching the tide go in and out. So thank you guys for joining me. Take care so I can see you again in the next one.